I'm really active around our house, both inside and out, and I am tired of having sore knees, bruised knees, slipping and sliding. Love that these bend all the way straight and flex. Movement is not an issue for me. I have a lot of movement flexibility. I wouldn't want a 5K or anything, but they stay in place. They stay nice and tight. Love how durable they are. They are really made of an intense plastic here, and the foam inside is nice and thick, probably thicker than my thumb. I can really push on that, and it just gives a lot more protection, more than I thought it was going to give, so I'm really pleased with that. Like that they use the vinyl acetate, soft, lightweight, flexible, water resistant. I also love how easy it is to adjust for both my husband and me. You can just slide this little piece into there, lock it in place, and it has a locking mechanism to stay placed, and it's just the reverse to take it off. And my husband and I can both use them because they're so adjustable, and I like that for me, I can really put that piece into the holder so that flap isn't all over the place when I'm getting in the way and getting dirty, but he can really move it out and expand it. I also really like this anti-slip on the bottom. It's got a little bit of texturizing to it, so it really helps you stay in place if you have a lot of movement on the ground. Let's be honest, I'm not wearing them to a fashion show, but they don't slip or pinch or leave my knee sore. I like they're non-stick. I like they're flexible. I like they're comfortable. They've been reliable and durable for me, and that's really what I care about. If you found this helpful, please give it a like so I know to make more videos like this.